Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can legally obtain the Jackhammer. Make sure your account meets event requirements and is verified. Next, inspect your inventory for coins or tradable items you can leverage, because trades or purchases depend on those assets. Once done, enable account safety features so you don't lose progress. Having solid credentials speeds up trades and prevents scams. Now that basics are set, you're ready to pursue the Jackhammer through purchase, event reward, or a trusted trade. First, scan available shops and limited-time catalogs. Sometimes items return during special events, so check daily. If it's not purchasable, arrange a trade. Propose rares or bundles with clear coin equivalents and explain why your offer is fair so the other player accepts. While negotiating, keep records, screenshots, and chat logs because they prove agreed terms if disputes arise. Make sure to meet in secure, busy servers and confirm item condition before you finalize the exchange or payment. Finalize by meeting in a public room. Transfer items and immediately verify the Jackhammer is in your inventory before leaving. If something goes wrong, if the item doesn't appear, stay calm and present your screenshots, witness names, and timestamps to the seller first. Request a correction. If that fails, escalate with community moderators or file a support ticket including all evidence. One key troubleshooting tip: never accept promises without proof. Pause trades until you can verify both sides simultaneously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.